Hello everyone. So today we'll be learning about how we can create a flip animations effect in Figma. So something like this. Whenever we click here, uh, we see that the uh, card is flipped, and when you click again, and it will revert it to back. So how we can achieve this? So I'll be showing you with the basic example without using an image, but you can do it while with using an image also. So I have also earlier documentations which I will be following and showing you throughout the guide, right? And here is the thing, something like this. Yeah. So let's get started. So the first thing is what we will be needing is we'll just create a rectangle and I'm just creating a square rectangle and trying to paste some image here. So I'll be just using some okay, taking this image, copy image, and I will just fill it in here, right? And after this, I will convert it to a frame. So to convert it to a frame, we have a shortcut command, it's option command and G, or if we can just select this file, right click, and select this frame selections, right? And after this, what we need to do is just rename this. And this is my front face, and what I need to do is, if I want to move back for the back side, I'll just clone this, and now I'll write it as back. Okay, sequence back. Now I have the two layers, one for the front layer and second is for the back layer. And what I will be doing is flip it horizontally. Okay, so let me flip it. Instead, I'll be putting here a text only, right? So I will delete the image and I will fill the color and here is a back layer. So after this, what you need to do is you just need to create a clone of these frames and arrange the positions. So if you can see here, we have this pink clicker dot. Just click on this and drag the positions, and it will just fix to the original positions at this layer. And just rename it as the front, and another is back. That is it. Now what you have to do is just select both of the frames at once and align it horizontally to center. And when we align horizontally to center, we'll see something like this. And similar for the above element, align it horizontally. Now, as you can see, we both have the back layer and back layer at the top. So to fix this, what we have to do is makes you have the both frame on the top of back. Both front layer at the same level and back at the same level. And after that, what we have to do is convert it to a component. So there is a shortcut command of command option and K, or else you can create a component from here and make it as a front. Okay, component. Okay, and here is the second layer. Make it as a component of back layer. So you can rename it as a back layer. Okay, uh, let me do this back again and convert to a frame, sorry, component, and rename it as a back, right? And now we are done, guys. Okay, so what you have to do is now go to component, sorry, prototype, select a component, go to prototype and just create a workflow. So navigate to this or change to yeah, if you get the change to option, change to that, and from this you navigate to this. And now to see the preview of this animation effects, what you have to do is just select a frame. A shortcut is F comma F key and select any frame, right? Go to assets, choose your page. Um, sorry, before this, choose both of your component and convert it to combine as variants, right? And this will give you only one component here. And what you need to do is now, yeah, make sure your frame in your component is inside that frame and just here. And this is how you can see. So we have the background layer of white and your card is also of same color, so you can't see the difference, but it is working. Guys.